New video. Today we're going to talk about Mullen Automotive Inc. Ticker is MULN. This is a stock, an electric vehicle stock that is up 54% on the trading day, sitting at $1.49 at the time of this video. Now we take a look at the chart here for Mullen Automotive, right? Let's take a look at the year to date. Mullen Automotive at the beginning of the year, you can see here back on January 4th of this year, was trading at $5.84 and dipped all the way down to a low of around 80 cents at the end of February. Did climb back up here to $3.60 in the end of March, and then really has fallen off, was down below at $1.93 back here on May 11th. And you can see here now, over the last trading day or so since Friday, obviously the market was closed yesterday, but since then has been up quite a bit, 53% today. And it's kind of up for some, it's up for good reason, I guess you could say. We're going to go over it. I just want to talk about a few things, give my opinions on it, and get your guys' opinions in the comments below. But yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So if you're unfamiliar with Mullen, they're an electric car manufacturer, EV. You can see here they have this car, which is called the Mullen 5, which is a pure electric SUV crossover. It is yet on the U.S. market, just, obviously for pre-order. You can reserve one, accepting reservations. So the range estimate is 325 miles, electronically limited to 155 miles per hour max, and a 0 to 60 speed of 3.2 seconds, which is pretty quick. I think these all comparable to the Tesla Model Y. So obviously where we are with electric vehicles in the United States with the Biden renewable energy plan, it hasn't really come into full effect yet with as far as just funding yet, but obviously electric vehicles, renewable energy is a very hot stock sector and a very hot market to be in right now. But quickly, Mullen Automotive is a Southern California-based automotive company that owns and partners with several synergistic businesses working towards the unified goal of creating clean and scalable energy solutions and electric vehicles. They are now a publicly traded company as of November 5th, 2021. So they recently, not even a year ago, became a publicly traded company, which is very good to see. And obviously with a ton of trading volume over the last trading or this trading day, 239 million trades of Mullen Automotive. And with, like I said earlier, with good news comes heavy trading volume, and that is exactly what Mullen Automotive has. They announced an impressive solid state polymer battery test results. So results from Indiana's Battery Innovation Center, otherwise known as the BIC, shows Mullen Automotive's state-of-the-art or solid-state polymer battery cell testing exceeds previously stated values of 300 ampere per hour at 3.7 volts. BIC testing shows impressive results of 343.28 Ah at 4.2 volts for Mullen's solid-state polymer battery cell, which is in line with previously reported results from EV Grid. The data supports solid-state polymer battery cell technology, which when scaled to the vehicle pack level and at a 150 kilowatt-hour equivalent can deliver over 600 miles of range on a full charge for the Mullen 5 EV crossover. So this is obviously huge news, all right? For any EV, I think it comes down to battery pack and how much battery that, specific battery can put out and the range in which these EV miles can go. I think even for Tesla, they're continuing to try to grow their EV, make the batteries bigger, have longer range, right? Because I think that's the number one issue the number one adherence or I guess con in people purchasing EV is they are worried about having to charge. Aside from Tesla, there's not really a massive supercharger network where you can charge quickly other than Teslas. So it's tough for, people to get behind a specific EV that is not a Tesla. To purchase one because they are worried about the range. Now, this is great news for Mullen Automotive, in my opinion. You can see here, it is expected that with this technology, when scaled to the vehicle pack level, a 150 kilowatt solid-state battery can deliver 600 miles of range. In general, solid-state batteries offer higher energy density, faster charging times, smaller size, and safety compared to traditional lithium-ion cells. The CEO of Mullen Automotive is stated, "I'm impressed with the ongoing performance of the solid-state cell after going through multiple intense testing sessions from accredited testing facilities," end quote, said David Mickery, the CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive. He says again, the battery has performed exceptionally well, and I'm pleased with the results from BIC in Indiana. He also says, "We are pleased to see that results from ongoing testing are in line with those previously noted. The cell thus far has performed as stated, and we will continue to test additional parameters to characterize the overall capabilities and performance." Mullen recently announced the strikingly different U.S. test drive tour across 19 cities across the U.S. The tour will begin this fall in Southern California and work its way throughout the U.S. Further details can be found here, or place your Mullen reservation here as well. So obviously this is bullish news. Obviously the market is taking it as bullish news, as this stock is up 53% over the trading day, up to $1.50 at the time of this video. Again, at the beginning of the year, this was a stock that was trading close to $4. So obviously it does have that potential to hit that $5 mark. Also a very new stock as far as being publicly traded goes. So again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen Automotive stock. Ticker is MULN. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.